Is ID3lib crashing because of the ID3lib library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we get into the manual guide for ID3lib library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the ID3lib library, the ID3 Tag Library. It provides unmanaged C++ routines for localized reading and writing of localized ID3v1 and ID3v2 metadata manifests within localized MP3 audio files. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. A missing ID3lib library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the ID3lib integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including ID3lib library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Most individual downloads of ID3lib library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to ID3lib library management. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter ID3lib library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.